Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. As always, I'm Master Artwork and today we will be reviewing none other than the one and only POSCA Paint Markers. So I was in my local art store, which is the Nehara bookshop, which has all the art supplies an artist would need. And then I came across these POSCA markers and thought, why not give them a try?
These markers are water soluble, quick drying and non-toxic, and there are around 55 vibrant colors including metallic, fluorescent and also glitter. And you can use these markers on almost any surface including plastic, wood, cardboard, paper and glass. And so, since Deadpool and Wolverine are still playing on the cinemas, I thought why not do a miniature version of them as well. As you can see, the nib currently doesn't have any paint on it. So we had to shake the pen and get the paint flow into the nib.
One hour later.
Finally it works. I gotta say, it does take some time to pump the marker and get the paint flow into the nib. The paint flow does feel smooth, however the nib does feel a bit rough against the surface of the paper.
One hour later.
Before showing you the final result, what do I think about these markers? Well, it's interesting of course, but despite how I handle these markers, the art papers which I have seem to get worn off when I apply 2 or more coats. Plus, I'm just so used to blending colors rather than doing block shading where you apply one color on top of the other. Would I use these again? Definitely. And once again, big shout out to Nehara Bookshop. If you live somewhere near Negombo, do check it out. And until next time, my name is Arista and here is the final result.